Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 160.
MathIdeas number 160. Today we have a problem that seems like it's a little tricky, but it's actually not too bad. And it's how many counting numbers less than or equal to 100 are divisible by 5 or 10 or both? What do you think you want to do on this one? I'm trying to figure out what numbers are divisible by 5 or 10 or both.
That means how many numbers divide into 5 or 10?
No, other way around. How many numbers does 5 divide into? And how many numbers does 10 divide into? But we want to make sure we don't double count. So for example, 5 goes into 10 and 10 goes into 10. So we don't want to count 10 twice. So what numbers are divisible by 5? Why don't we start by writing those down? What's the smallest number that's divisible by 5?
Smallest number?
Yeah.
Well, we could check 1.
Is 1 divisible by 5? If you have a nickel, if you have 5 cents, can you make 1 cent? No. If you have 5 cents, if you have a bunch of nickels, what's the smallest amount of money you can make?
You can make 5 cents?
5, yeah. So write 5 on the board. And what's the next smallest number you can make?
Then you can make 10.
10, yeah.
Then you can make 15.
15,
Then you can make 20.
20, yeah.
Then you can make 25.
25. And then here, I'll write. What's the next one you can make after that?
And then you can make 30.
30.
35.
35.
40.
40.
45.
45.
50.
50.
55.
55.
60.
Sorry about that. 5. 60.
65.
65.
70.
70.
75.
75.
80.
80.
85.
85.
90.
90.
95.
95.
And 100.
And 100. Okay, so there we go. Those are our multiples of 5, or these are the numbers that are divisible by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 95, 100. Okay? Now, here's the tricky thing. What are the numbers that are divisible by 10? So if you had a bunch of dimes, what amounts of money could you
10,
make?
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Ah, interesting. Do we need to write those numbers down?
We already got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Ah. We already wrote all the multiples of 10 down. That was kind of sneaky. Okay, so how many numbers are there on the board there?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
20. Very interesting. There are 20 numbers. So, we learned a little bit about what it means to be divisible by 5 or divisible by 10. It means that in one case you have a bunch of nickels and you're trying to figure out how much money you can make. So those are our multiples of 5. And our multiples of 10 are the same idea, but just with 10. And then we were trying to figure out how many numbers between 1 and 100 were divisible by 5 or 10 or possibly even both. And we found out there were 20 numbers like that just by writing them down. All right. Good job, honey. Good job.